Eleos is a virtual reality game that we have been developing to teach engineering students professional development skills. These skills include leadership, teamwork, communication, and ethics. Within the game, we place one player that is in the virtual reality. This is a futuristic Mars colony, in which case the player then discovers an alien structure. This introduces them to a puzzle game that they need to work with. They do this by working with a partner engineer that is at the Mars base. They must work together, and they must manipulate objects within the game in order to get through there. The first object that we have them work with is a sphere. This sphere is basically allows for them to unlock certain gems that open the doors. The engineer has a real sphere, which you can see in the upper left-hand corner. That sphere then can interact within the game. This is a demonstration of us going ahead and doing the game. As we manipulate the controls on there, it manipulates the sphere that we have in game. Both color feedback and audio feedback, it can be brought through this interface as well. Alright, now put it in the... Nope. In order to maneuver through the game and to solve the puzzles, both the player and the engineer have to work together. Since the player in the game cannot change the color of the sphere, they have to rely on the engineer in order to do that through the game control interface that we developed. However, the engineer does not know what kind of color needs to be for the sphere. This is where both players have to both communicate and work together in order to solve through the puzzles. The current game that we have currently uses 3 different rooms, and they both increase in complexity as they go through the room. In the 3rd room, for example, we also introduce a virtual reality cube. Same thing, the players have to interact with those devices, and they need to work together to get the correct color sequence for that. The players can go ahead and check to see if they've gotten the right color sequence by looking at the gems on the wall. When they turn a solid purple, then that means that they have unlocked that pedestal, and they can now proceed to the next part of the puzzle. Development of this game is ongoing. We're currently in a beta stage right now. However, we do hope to start doing some early testing this semester with this game. We have written 2 papers on this procedure that we've been doing so far. The links can be seen here. We'll be continuing to do more with this game as we go along. As we do, we hope to update everyone on how things are progressing. Thank you for watching.